A big hello to everyone. How are you doing today? Are you all excited for today's class? Because we are going to learn today something very interesting and a new topic. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. And today I will tell you about animals and their babies. It's an interesting topic. Okay, and I'm very excited for today's class. So let's start our class. But let me tell you one thing, like we have our parents and we are their children. So likewise, animals also have their babies and they have their names. So we will learn their names today. Okay, let's start our class. Okay, so animals are also parents, okay, and they have their babies. So first is cow. So you know cow baby is called, calf. Yes, see here, it's a cow and it's the cow's baby and we call cow's baby calf. Okay, so it's a calf. Okay, it's a calf. Now next is hen. Hen have chickens. Okay, hen have chickens. See, this is a hen and hen's baby is called chick. Hen's baby is called chick. It is hen and it is the baby of hen which is chick. Okay. Next is lion. Lion have cubs. See, it's a lion and lion is the king of jungle. Yes. So it's the lion and lion's baby is cub. Okay. Lion's baby is called cub. Now next is cats. Cats have kittens. See, it is cat here. Now cat's baby is called kitten. Cat's baby is called kitten. Okay. Now next is dogs. I know everyone loves dogs and their puppies. Puppies are dog small babies. Okay. Dog and puppy. It's a dog and the baby, dog's baby is called puppy. Now next is horses have foals. Now where are the horse? Horses are, where are the horse? Okay, horse is not given here, but I will tell you, horses have foals. Horse baby are called foals. Okay, horse baby are called foals. Next are ducks have ducklings. Ducks have ducklings. Now where is the duck? Over here. This is duck and this is duckling. This is duck's baby. Okay. And how does it make sound? It does quack quack. Do you know? Ducks do quack quack. Okay. So this is duck and this is the duck's baby which is called duckling. And the last one is frogs have tadpoles. Frogs have tadpoles. Now frog hops, right? Frog hops and frog's baby are called tadpoles. Okay. Frogs have tadpoles. So these are some animals and their babies' name that you should learn. You should know their names. Okay. So let's quickly sing this rhyme and you will all sing this after me. Okay. Let's start. Cows have calves. Hens have chickens. Cows have calves. Hens have chickens. Lions have cubs. Lions have cubs. Cats have kittens. Cats have kittens. Dog have puppies. Dog have puppies. Horses have foals. Horses have foals. And duck have ducklings. Duck have ducklings. Frog have tadpoles. Frogs have tadpoles. Very good. Now, like this, you will learn all the animals and their babies' name because it is also very, very important for you to know animals and their babies' name. Alright? Okay. Now come to the next page, which is match the animals with their young ones. These are the animals and here are the young ones, means their babies. We have to do the matching. So let's do the matching. Okay, first one is the lion. First one is the lion. Now tell me, lion baby is called cub. So where is the cub? This is the cub. Second one. We will match it with the second one. Okay. Next is hen. Next is hen. And hens have chickens. Chicken is the first one. We will go up and match it with the first one. Next is duck. And duck have ducklings. Ducklings is the last one. We will go down and match it like this. Next is cow. Cow have calves. Okay. We will match it with the calf. Next is dog. Dog have puppies. Puppies is this one. This is the puppy. We will match it with the puppy like this. And the last one is cat. Last one is cat. And cats have kittens. Kitten is this one. We will match it with the kitten like this. So now I have learned all the animals and their babies. I know that you will take your time and learn all these things. So now I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning everyone. Bye bye. Take care.